Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Slick Clover, and if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing your friend's makeover and also makeup tutorial. So basically all I'm doing right now is getting the brows done. So stay tuned guys. So next I'll be taking a black gel and using a brush I'll be tapping that to the crease. So next guys, I'll be taking my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette and I'll be using a red tone shade from there to blend out the black gel. So next guys, I've taken the Zekia powder palette and I'm using a powder shade from there to get rid of the excess colors from underneath of my brows and also um, blend everything together to be soft. So next I'm just taking my Beauty Glaze palette and I'm taking that green shade from there and I'm tapping that to the black gel. So at some point I had to move in with my fingertips because I figured out it was helping me with application, but at a certain point it became in excess, so I had to switch back. So next guys, I've taken the green shimmer shade from the palette. Next guys, I've taken a dark eyeshadow shade and I'm tapping that to the outer region of my crease. Taking eyeliner gel I used from earlier, I'll be using that to line her eyelids. So guys, I'm moving into the skin work. So now I'm just taking the foundation shade, I'm just going to be using my Real Technique brush to blend all that into our skin, after which I'm going to move in to using the blender to suck up the extra products and intensify the blending. So next guys, I'll be setting our face with a translucent setting powder, after which I'll move in with the Ezekiel powder palette, and I'll be taking a shade from the palette, and also be taking a dark shade to contour our face. So I added a bit of shimmer underneath of her eyes, then popped on some lash mascara, and then I went ahead and added blush. So guys, we are done for today. This is all for today's look, and it was a rushed work, but I'm really happy about the success of it. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscription button, and don't forget, you can also leave a comment below if you want to. So see you guys next time. Bye.